CRISPR activation of alpha-7 and CHAD genes decreases secretion of pro-inflammatory interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha cytokines in the THP1 cells. Acetylcholine encoded by the CHAD gene function as a neurotransmitter in the transduction of neuronal signaling when the ligands bind to the homo- and heteropentameric nicotinic acetylcholine receptor composed of alpha-7, alpha-9, and alpha-10 subunits. It is known that innate immunity, alpha-7 receptor, and the agonist acetylcholine are mainly involved in attenuating inflammation. Our previous studies have concluded that the expression of alpha-7 and CHAD genes is very low in human peripheral blood mononuclear cells. The CRISPR activation system was used to overexpress the CHAD and alpha-7 genes. The system consists of the dCas9-BP64 vector and lenti-MS2 pure expression backbone fused to the guide RNAs for the CHAD and alpha-7 genes. Our objective was to increase the expression of acetylcholine and alpha-7 receptors, and secondly, to determine if the secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokines interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha is reduced by CRISPR activation of system of the CHAD and alpha-7 genes in the THP1 monocytes and macrophages. For materials and method, we followed the following steps. First, we designed our guide RNA, followed by the construction of our guide RNA MS2 effector fusions. Then we produced our vectors, purified and verified these vectors. Then our lentivirus were then produced by means of calcium phosphate transfection. Then we proceed on transfecting our THP1 cells by means of our spinoculation. Then we proceed on to expression verification of the CHAD and alpha-7 receptor by means of qPCR and Western blot. And then lastly, we did our cytokine quantification by means of ELISA. In figure 1a, we can see the CHAD mRNA expression in our THP1 dCas CHAD cell lines, as well as in B, our alpha-7 fold change in our THP1 dCas alpha-7 CRISPR cell lines. Expression is calculated relative to the control, which is a THP1 wild-type cell line, and fold change is calculated relative to the HEWAS and UBE2 reference genes. For both CHAD and alpha-7, the mRNA expression is significantly increased. From figure 3a, we see that the CHAD protein expression in our THP1 CHAD cell lines and in B, our alpha-7 protein expression in our THP1 dCas alpha-7 CRISPR cell lines was measured by means of fold change, which was calculated relative to the reference protein GAPDH expression and relative to the protein expression of the control, which is our THP1 wild-type cell line. Protein expression is also significantly increased. Our results demonstrate that alpha-7 nicotinic acetylcholine receptor and acetylcholine, which is our CHAD overexpression, significantly suppress the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha in undifferentiated THP1 monocytes, M1 and M2 and M0 polarized THP1 macrophages. Further investigation will be useful to determine how increased CHAD and alpha-7 receptor expression affects other cytokines and total inflammasome as a potential treatment for inflammation.